Hey everyone, welcome back. Craving for a restaurant style Kaju curry at home? So today I'm gonna make Suhana Kaju curry. Let's get started. This one is 50-gram pack, MRP is 45 rupees and it has a shelf life of 12 months. First we need 100 gram of cashews. Split ones work best, but I had the whole cashew so I had to split them myself. Now soak the split cashew in hot water for 20 minutes. And the next step is Suhana Kaju curry mix. This 50-gram pack is perfect for one-time use. Take it out in a big bowl and mix it in with 100 ml of milk to make a paste. Look, it blends so quickly. Set this aside for now and heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute for a while and cover. Cook on low flame for 4-5 minutes and see the tomatoes are now soft and mushy. Add the soaked cashew. But check this how soft they have become. The cashew is easy to bend. Okay, mix them well with the tomatoes. Now add the Kaju curry paste which we prepared and cook on low flame for 2 minutes only. Finally, pour in 200 ml of water, mix it well and reduce the flame. Cook for about 5-6 minutes until the gravy thickens and it smells amazing. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves. Serve with hot roti or paratha. This Suhana Kaju curry is creamy, mildly spiced and aromatic. Let's taste it. Wow, this is so good. Restaurant style flavor right at home and so easy to make. So that was my Suhana Kaju curry recipe. Easy, tasty, and have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.